We're back out here again. As y'all saw, what we've already done with the seat, those billet pieces. I've already got these in, stuck them on, and now I've got a set of these grips right here to go along with everything. So we're gonna get this all torn apart and stick these on there. This is all pretty self-explanatory, but first thing I do is I take the lever off, turn it, sit it right here, and then I break this loose and get this fun toy off here. We'll slap the new one on there. Okay, if you are doing this setup, I'll link the description and everything for these. Swapping from the factory ones over to these. If you look down in there, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Actually, I don't know if that one was the one. No, this is the one. Let's see if I can get the light to light it up in there. Wow. Okay, well, down in there are some splines, and the splines fit on these little grooves right here. So that lets you know which one's the driver's side. Driver's side. The throttle side. Oh my gosh. Too funny. So get those off of there, and then you can see this one. These are the electronic, obviously. You see how this one's shaped like this in the bottom? This one does not have that shape. This one actually, you can actually kind of see the gears way down at the bottom right there. This is going to be the throttle side, driver side, throttle side. So make sure you put this one on the left hand and this one on the right hand where the throttle is. It'll help you out. All right, when you're working on the passenger side, I have found that there's a little tab on this side right here that you've got to notch out a little bit more. So as you can see, I notched that out. If you don't, then the whole cover won't close all the way and it looks stupid. So make sure you notch it. All right, well, I will say, out of this, if you were to guess which one would be the harder one to put on, I would assume you would think the same as me, as the throttle side. That's incorrect. That side went on super easy. This side was a whole nother story, but we got it all in there. Finally got this where it would close all the way, top and bottom, and it's secure in there now, so good on that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Moving on to some other things. We have gotten these in, so we're replacing those, and then if y'all heard me complain about the windshield is too low, so I get the old head wobble and all that. So we got a 7-inch with a little sweep on it. So we're gonna be installing all this on here now, so throw it on there. Pretty much just take these 3 screws out, pull it out, stick the other one back in. I've got a trim piece coming right here that kind of matches all this stuff that I'm doing, but it's not here. But I cannot stand the head wobble, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on there. Just sits over that. Here we go. Just had to get those 2 lips past it, but well, that ain't a whole lot more. I was afraid this was a 6-inch. I'm hoping this is gonna make a big difference, because that's terrible. I may have to go with like a 9-inch, where this is a 7-inch. Yeah. It's definitely darker. Definitely smoked out way more than the other one. You see that? Yeah. Big difference. But this should help compared to what we had. It definitely looks better, that's for sure. But this is more about comfort than looks. That's why I'm saying I may end up going with a 9-inch. I am afraid. I am right about 6 foot, just under 6 foot tall. But I feel like this is gonna be better, especially since it kicks up, kind of kicks the wind up. It's gonna be better than the other one. You can see, oh, watch out, bud. Yeah, I think it's gonna do a lot better, but the only way to find out is to take it for a ride, so we'll take it a ride here in a little bit. Well, these mods didn't take very long. The only problem is I gotta go get some amber bulbs for those now. And the windshield's on, as y'all saw, so some quick little changes. I think I'm about to pull this rear taillight off because I want to get rid of this reflector right here. Okay, now we got the little reflector taken off of here. The new bags that I'm going with, they're gonna be 5-inch stretch. I'll do a separate video on that once they come in, but I'm not gonna put these lights back on here, so I'm just gonna be running those plus the factory one that's on the bottom of the fender right there. But that's it. That'll do it for this video. We got some more stuff coming. Next video is gonna be on the full like CNC'd levers, floorboards, all that kind of stuff from Amazon. We'll kind of do a little thing on that, install, and then kind of give you my review on the quality of it compared to the R1S. So if you're interested in that stuff, stick around. Next videos coming out will be on that, and then the next one will probably be the saddlebags. So I've already got pretty much everything done. I just gotta upload the videos. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to go check out Capri Tools and get your 10% discount using Chris 2022.